All right, now that we've talked about how to slice, how to grind, I'm gonna give you a basic, simple kind of version of my favorite style of teriyaki sauce. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add soy sauce. We're gonna add Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna add chopped garlic and cracked pepper. If you know anything about me, you know that all my ingredients are simple, 5 to 6 elements to my dish, because I like the meat to speak for itself and just add some incredible flavors to the meat itself. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our sliced meat and we're just gonna immerse it into that ooey gooey goodness. You're gonna let your meat sit as long as you physically can. So 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, as long as you can, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna allow all those flavors to get into that sponge-like meat that we had. The cool thing about putting soy sauce in here is soy sauce has an enzyme that actually helps start breaking down the meat. So as we put a cure in the grind, the soy sauce acts as a cure within our sliced meat. So now that we have a basic, simple marinade, we're just gonna cover that up. We're gonna put it in the fridge and let it sit as long as we can, minimum 12 hours. When that comes out, we're gonna discard all that goodness. We're gonna pat these dry, and we're gonna show you how to either dehydrate them, smoke them, or put them in your oven.